Forget about your grandma fruit cake. Make this vegan apple spice cake and start your new tradition. Delightful vegan apple cake. The ingredients, they're all in the description below. Let's do it! In a large mixing bowl, combine the diced apple, all-purpose flour, Florida crystals granulated sugar, unsweetened applesauce, coconut oil, baking soda, baking powder, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and a pinch of salt.
For this recipe, you need to add our wonderful Bunnie Cakes Ready-to-bake cake batter.
Mix well until all ingredients are well combined and the batter is smooth. Pour the batter into a greased 9-inch cake pan. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes at 350 until set. For the frosting, in a mixer, add vegan butter and mix with Florida crystals powdered sugar until smooth. Add maple syrup and a little bit of almond milk until you reach the desired frosting consistency. Melt the vegan white chocolate chips and mix into the frosting until smooth and creamy.
And now, our cake is ready. Take it out from the oven. It's time to decorate.
Once the cake is completely cool, spread the white chocolate-infused frosting evenly over the top.
And now, dulce no leche.
For our final bunny cakes touch, let's put some hearts.
Voila!
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.